Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you, members. I'm Gerald Blessey. I'm the council and manager for the Mississippi Sound Coalition, former mayor of Biloxi. The Sound Coalition is a combination of the city and county governments, commercial fisheries, and the tourism industry on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. The 2019 Bonnie Terry opening, as you probably know, killed all of the natural oyster reefs in the western Mississippi Sound. They're still dead. 10% of our dolphin population, and it created, because it was the longest and went all into the summertime, an algae bloom that ended up closing our waters and our beaches, and so it killed our tourism season. So we're going to participate very actively in the Lower Mississippi River Comprehensive Management Study, and we invite you in the Corps to join us in looking for win-win solutions to the management of the Mississippi River. By that I mean, of course, flood protection, coastal restoration, and in protecting the environment, including the Mississippi Sound, because we're directly affected. I do want to comment, Mr. Chairman, briefly that the mid-Breton diversion concerns us just as it does Plaquemines Parish. We do have science from the Northern Gulf Institute, that's Mississippi State and University of Southern Mississippi, that shows that the mid-Breton diversion will ultimately have the same kind of devastating and long-term permanent impact on the Mississippi Sound. It's peer-reviewed science, change the salinity forever. And once it becomes changed, as you know, if you go below 5 parts per thousand, salinity kills the oysters, they're not coming back. So my point is that we really want to see win-win solutions. We are very concerned about, of course, the Bonnie Terry and the Mid-Breton, but we think the whole Lower Mississippi River, the whole concept must be rethought. Surely we can find in this great country of ours the best minds in America to figure out how to do these win-win solutions. And we offer our hand in friendship to try to do that in Mississippi and Louisiana together.